Hello, friend. Marcel the PK here, coming to you from my home office in Southern Maryland. And just wanted to share with you and bring you an update. Again, as you can see, I'm getting getting leads in, and a few sales have come in. And the system is working. I want to give a shout out to Rob Frazier with the Broke Man's Plan. I'm using that program. I'm calling it, for me, the low budget plan. And what we're doing is we are showing you a platform that you can use to build your business and to build it in a rapid fashion. How do you do that? Well, this platform that you've joined, the Power Lead System, let me go to that, is a marketing platform. What this utilizes is a plan where you can build websites, capture pages, sales pages to help you generate leads for your business. This tool is a powerful tool. I'll just show you some of the websites that I have created, and it's easy for you to create also. I'm not going to get into too many of the programs. These are a number of items that I've built. Let me just do a test link here. If you notice, this is one company that that's just one program that I'm using, helping someone build. I'm not in this company. I'm helping someone build this company by building capture pages. That's another stream of income that you can use with this tool. So tonight, folk, I'm not going to keep this long because I have to get up early and do some other business. But you can use this to build capture pages and web pages, sales pages for other people. That's another spin-off income that you can generate using this tool. You can generate capture pages, you can generate sales pages. There are a number of things you can do for people to use this. But use this tool to brand yourself, make your own capture pages. If you're part of a company, multi-level marketing company, network marketing company, you can use this tool to brand yourself and set yourself apart from the other replicated sites, and people will join you. You'll set yourself apart and people will join you versus the thousands of other replicated distributors that are in that program. So that's one area that you can take advantage of. But I'm just going to give you a bird's eye view of some of the other areas that we're building with this low budget plan. So you have your lead lightning, your Power Lead System, where you are building capture pages. Another area that is part of this platform are what we call rev shares. You may or may not have heard of them, but I'm a part of two of them, and I'm going to show you how this grows. I'm a part of one company called futuread Pro. The parent company of this is FutureNet, which is basically a social media platform. It's similar to Facebook, so you can build a Facebook page and you can advertise on it. It's another way that you can generate leads for your business socially through just interacting with people. That's a great way. If you're doing it with Facebook, you can do it with this program, and it's building a new set of networkers that you can have access to. But this part of the FutureNet, the FutureAd Pro, is what we call a rev share. Basically, you get paid to view ads. If I click up here, all I need to do is watch 10 ads per day. And you buy ad packs and you advertise on this. So a bunch of people come together, a bunch of networkers come together, and they purchase ad packs. These ad packs cost $50 per ad pack, and you get a number of clicks and a number of views with that ad pack. But the ad pack grows to where you put $50 in, you get about $60 back for that ad pack. So you can make money by watching ads. What you do is you build these ad packs. I'm up to 13 right now. I'm getting about maybe $6 a day from these ad packs, and it's growing for me. What I'm doing is I'm putting the money back into ad packs now, but eventually, once you get up to Rob Fraser's status, where he has 800 ad packs, and he is using that money to pay for the third aspect of this low budget plan, which I call paid advertising, which is called paid advertising. I don't call it that. It's called paid advertising. So what you do is, instead of using your money to buy paid advertising, you constantly purchase paid advertising. You do it over and over again. You don't think about it. You do it over and over again. And the beautiful thing about it is, if you build your rev shares, like I said, this is one rev share that I have. I have another rev share that I'm a part of called My Paying Ads. And this is really the low budget plan here, because the ad packs here start for $5, and you can start building your ad packs. In this program, I'm getting about $2 to $3 per day for, again, getting paid to just watch ads. 10 ads a day, and you get paid. Once you get paid, you can build your ad packs up to where you're generating $50, $60 a day, and you take some of that money out and you pay for traffic. Traffic is what's going to get you going. I'm going to go back to the traffic. This is traffic right here, where you're generating leads, 100 leads here, 4 leads here, 42 leads here, 24 leads here, 65 leads here, 46 leads. These turn into sales here, sales coming in. That's where you start to grow on a rapid pace. It's a beautiful system. You have the platform for capturing pages, for capture pages. Where am I? Power lead system, lead lightning. You can do it with lead lightning. You can generate income with lead lightning. So that's one source of income. Then you have your rev shares. Each of these rev shares are sources of income that you can use to push for traffic. Now, you can also get paid for buying traffic also by building a network. I'm not going to get into that tonight because I don't want to keep it short. But you can build or get paid for buying traffic, not only from your rev shares, but from getting other people to join you. When you teach them to buy traffic and do the same thing, they start buying traffic, you make money. So, friend, this is what we're doing. The system is working. You can see that it's working. I'm excited about it, this low budget plan. Rob Frazier's broke man's plan is working. It's a beautiful system. I haven't seen any other system like this before, and I've checked out a number of gurus over the years, and they do have some good plans. There's free traffic that you can get. There's traffic you can get from social media, but if you want to get started right away, you focus on the paid traffic that we're generating. I have some campaigns that I'm getting ready to start. It's coming on the 14th, and it's going to generate traffic for me. There are people that are looking for your business opportunity. Of course, the final aspect is your business plan. If you don't have a business plan that you're growing, a network marketing business that you're growing, you can hit me back. Check the number below. I'm going to even put the link on there. You can join my business and we can grow together, get things going with that. So the traffic that you're getting, it starts to multiply and it starts to compound. And it's like work at first, but once you get that ball over the hill and start rolling downhill, and you're building an organization, you're building a number of multiple streams of income, you're building a team, it's going to grow. So, Rob Frazier, shout out to you. Thank you for getting this platform going. I know it's worked for you, and it's working for me, and it'll work for you too out there. Friend, let's get this business going. I'm going to share with you some other things down the road, and let's rock and roll. I don't think I have anything else to share with you right now. Of course, I got a lot to share with you, but I'm going to share that down the road. I'm going to get into the nitty-gritty of these rev shares, get into the nitty-gritty of the power lead system, and show you how you can take advantage of these systems later on. So keep up with my information. Keep up when I email you. Hit me back. You can even call me. There's a number down there that you can give me a call. Let's lock arms. Let's get things going. You're a winner. Let's start winning. Let's get in the game and start winning. Marcel the PK, you take care. Blessings to you.